Today I'm reviewing the INFLATiQ Portable Tire Inflator made by RIMiQ. The company sent this award-winning portable tire inflator to me so I could test it out and share my experiences with you. In this video, I'm going to show you everything that comes in the box, walk you through its features, test the emergency light outside in the dark, and inflate a tire so you can see exactly how it performs. Before I show you everything that's included, I want to highlight a few things that really make this inflator stand out from a lot of the others I've reviewed, because these might be the deciding factors for you. First, the carrying case. This is a hard-sided case, not a soft bag. It actually protects the inflator and all the accessories, so I can toss it in the trunk or the back of my vehicle without worrying about it getting crushed or damaged. Everything stays organized, and the carrying strap is a plus. The rubberized exterior makes it easy to grab and easy to wipe clean if it gets dirty. Second, the air hose. It's 20 inches long, longer than many competitors, but the real standout is the quick connect design. Instead of spinning a threaded connector around several times, you just give it a partial turn and it locks in or comes off. It saves time, it feels secure, and honestly, it might even help prevent people from over-tightening and damaging the port. I've tested a lot of portable inflators, and this is the only one I've used with this type of connection. Third, the LED display. The matte finish eliminates glare, so you can see your PSI clearly from almost any angle and in any lighting. Out of all the inflators I've reviewed, this is the only one with a matte anti-glare display, and it makes a noticeable difference outdoors. Fourth, you can power it through your vehicle's cigarette lighter port. Not every portable inflator gives you that backup option. Many rely only on USB-C, so if the internal battery isn't charged, you still have a reliable way to power it. And finally, the lifetime warranty. That's rare in this category. Most of the time, you feel pretty good if your inflator offers a 1 or 2 year warranty. A lifetime warranty shows the company is confident in the product and willing to stand behind it long term. When we open the case, we see that the inflator is over here, and on this half, we see there's this net with this elastic strap here, and then behind that net, we have everything we need. All of the accessories are right here. So let's take them out and get a closer look. So here's everything that we get. Over here, we have the quick start guide, we have registration information, and then we have the user manual. Next, we have a needle to inflate balls like basketballs, soccer balls, footballs. We have a specialty nozzle here to inflate things maybe like a pool floaty or an air mattress. And then here we have this valve stem converter that we can use to convert a skinny valve stem, like I have on some of my bicycles, to a standard size, so we can inflate that as well. Next, they give us 8 valve stem covers. I have never seen this before with a portable inflator. This is a super nice touch because eventually we all are going to need some of these, so that's really awesome. Over here we have a power cord. It is a USB to USB-C cable, and this has dual purposes. First, we can use it to plug in the USB-C end here to charge the internal battery inside the inflator. And we can also use that internal battery as a power bank for our portable electronic devices like our smartphones. And so then for that, all we need to do is plug into the USB port here, and then we can charge our smartphones or what have you. Now, in addition to being able to be powered by the internal battery, we also have the option to charge, or not charge it, but to power it through your cigarette lighter. So we just plug this in right here and plug this in and into your cigarette lighter, and we'll be able to power it that way too. So if the internal battery isn't charged up, we can still inflate a tire. Next, we have the air hose. It measures 20 inches long, which is longer than what you're going to get with a lot of other portable inflators. Now, it also has over here, I don't know if you can see it very good, it has a unique shape here that fits into the top, and we just give it a little turn and it's connected. You don't have to spin it around a bunch of times, so that saves you time as well. Again, this is a unique feature. You do not see a quick connect hose like this on most other inflators. So now I'll take the hose off, and we'll power up the unit and we can look at some of the different features. All right. And the first thing I want to point out is that this screen is a matte screen. It's not shiny. And so if you're in bright light, it's going to be easy to see. So that is another unique feature. I really like this. Now, if we take a look here, we see that we're in automobile mode. Then we have motorcycle mode, bicycle mode, ball mode, and then this would be like our manual or custom mode. And as we rotate through, you see it has the different pressure settings that are defaults, but we can go up or down. Those defaults are just ideas that it has about what we might be looking for. And then let's go back to the automobile, and you can see its PSI is what the unit of measurement is. But we're not stuck with that. If you want a different unit of measurement, we push this button over here and you can see it rotates through different other units of measurement. But I use PSI, so we're going to go back to that. Here we have the emergency flashlight. We'll push this button here and that comes on. It's brighter than you think. We'll take a look outside in the dark later and show you. And if I push that button again, it flashes. And then it gives us the SOS one as well. And if I push it one more time, it's off. So I think we've looked at all of the different features here. Let's go outside and see how this works. Even though the emergency light is small, as you can tell, it allows me to easily see whatever I need to, whether that's under the hood or to illuminate a tire so I can inflate it or change it along the side of a dark road at night. Here we are by one of my vehicles and we're getting ready to inflate this tire. And you can see I already took the valve stem cover off and I already turned the unit on. Now before we get started, I want to point out a couple of things. First, pay attention that no matter what the angle is that I am holding the inflator at, I can always see the LED screen. The matte finish, as we discussed before, eliminates glare so I can easily see it no matter the angle and no matter the lighting conditions. The next thing I want to point out is that if the valve stem was at the top of the tire, I could still easily reach it and inflate the tire without having to hold the inflator up in the air the whole time while I'm using it. Now, we see that I have it turned on automobile mode and it's set to 37 PSI. I want it to be 36, so I'm going to go down a little bit and we see that it's registering 0 PSI, which is totally what we want to see because it's not hooked up to the tire. So now let's hook it up to the tire. And to do that, all we need to do is to twist this end over the end of the valve stem. So, and as we get it on, you'll notice that a pressure will begin to register on the inflator. And you can see it's at 33 PSI. So we're getting ready now to start inflating. I'll just push this start button, and when it gets up to 36 PSI, it should shut off automatically. So let's begin. So as you can see, it inflated the tire very quickly. It was easy to use, and as far as noise goes, I've used a lot of portable inflators that were much louder than this one. So actually, it's pretty quiet as well. So after using the INFLATiQ, I'm genuinely impressed with how well it performs. It's easily one of the most user-friendly compact inflators I've tested. The quick connect hose, the hard protective case, and that matte, easy-to-read display make a big difference in real-world use. I also love the dual power option. You can run it off the internal battery or plug it into your car when you need to. It's accurate and thoughtfully designed with features that actually matter, both on the road and at home. I hope this video helped. If you would like to buy this product or you would like to learn more, a link is in the description. Thanks for watching.